Hi everyone, today we are looking at one of my last Nordstrom boxes. I think I have one more to go. Unfortunately, Nordstrom decided to close down the Trunk Club program, which is a pity, and I did enjoy receiving fantastic clothes and outfits that were put together specifically for me, and it really helped to put together entire wardrobes as needed. So this one is definitely a summer wardrobe and has a summer theme, and I am looking forward to wearing these pieces this summer. Come along with me as I show you what is in trend and what my stylist put together. But don't worry, I already have another box lined up from a stylist program that uses as fine a clothes selection as Nordstrom does, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, you might want to do that now so you can have a chance to look at what people are wearing. The first look is this Boden dress, and Boden dresses are a little bit pricey, but I love the festiveness of this one. The fabric is not my favorite because it is a blend, but it does feel comfortable, but I wish it were just cotton. It does have pockets, which is a yay, and I love the way the neckline looks. Perfect for summer. So take a look. One of my very favorite dresses is this Ulla Jonhson summer dress. It is cotton or linen, and it is lined, which is lovely. I just adore the sleeves, and I think I could actually have gone for a size smaller because it feels a little loose around the waist, and this here keeps falling off. But it's just such a pretty summer dress. What a lovely beach dress. We are going to on a little beach getaway, and I can't wait. And this is such a perfect dress for an evening out, dinner, shopping. It has pockets, and it would look fantastic with my hat. I just adore this one. Unfortunately, it's out of my price range. I simply adore this top. Again, out of my price range. They really went a little bit crazy this time. It is cotton, but look at all the detail. Oops, let's see. Look at all that detail. Isn't that beautiful, romantic? Exactly the type of top that I would love to wear, nice and cool for the beach. Just beautiful for a beach holiday. And they paired it with these shorts, those shorts, I don't wear shorts, but somebody could look good in them, not me. They also paired it with my Sam Edelman sandals. Super cute. And now this very casual and reasonably priced Madewell crochet shirt top. Actually, I think the blue skirt, midi tiered, it's quite full of details and lovely, but it doesn't have pockets. The skirt is the Madewell, and the crochet top is from and I think the crochet top is from Boden, and it's all cotton and very light fabric. This is very casual and super cool and comfortable for a beach holiday. Let's take a look at the whole outfit. Let's take a look at the whole outfit. And now another lovely Ulla Jonhson top. I just love the little ruffle sleeves. I think it's called the Paloma Ruffle. And I chose to wear it with my J. Crew white pants, flats, and my hat with a little black detail, and my bamboo purse. My sister always makes fun of me that I never wear high heels. Well, I have bad knees. You guys can make it super cute with higher heels, but this is comfortable and pretty enough for me. Take a look.
Let's just stick this. Not to be confused.
Perhaps we need some stages to consume.
Yeah, so this is the so you'll start this on tonight.
Tonight.
We can go tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. But I can't eat or drink tomorrow. Oh, I can't eat or drink tomorrow, so I'm going to need to keep all 3 today. I can't eat or drink tomorrow.
Not in the morning. Like at night.
Oh, I know, but don't
So, but this is not. They just want
Okay, can you guys just chill for 1 second? It will take 2 minutes. Not 1 second, just 2 minutes. All right, this top is super relaxed and the fabric is quite thin and comfortable. I would feel totally comfortable wearing this on a beach holiday. I like the sleeves and just very casual, very relaxed fitting and trendy at the same time. I think it's a lovely top. I did not expect it because I don't usually like this kind of cut, but I love the lapel and the stripes help keep that slender look even though it's a loose top. Great choice. Okay. Since my very first Nordstrom Trunk Club box, I've gotten CeCe tops, and it is a brand that I just think is lovely with all of the romantic sleeves and beautiful ties. I just think this top is adorable, just like any other CeCe top, and I think it would be just fitting to end the unboxing with one of my favorite brands. Although it is a synthetic shirt, it's still lovely, and I would be able to wear it this summer. I paired it with my J. Crew jeans, the Sam Edelman shirts, and my JJ clutch. Take a look. You talk now. Dad, Mom said just take like one at a time and I'll be fine.
I mean, I think you stick with that time.
That can't hurt.
That's all you've ever done in the past. They just give me one dose.
No, but I take 3 pills. When I go to the dentist, I take 3 pills just at once.
Oh.
I mean, it's not gonna hurt. It's fine. It's not like a heart surgery. You know. Okay, so I'll just take. They always give me giant horse pills with it.